Imagine waking up tomorrow and every road disappears, every building collapses, water stops flowing, and the entire world goes silent. Who would you blame? And more importantly, who would you call to fix it? Civil engineers. Welcome to the Learning Studio. This is the Civil Engineering series, one of many subjects we'll explore with clear explanations and powerful animations. You'll find the full playlist link in the description below. Civil engineering is not just about buildings and bridges, it's the engineering of civilization itself. Every structure you enter, every road you travel, every drop of clean water that reaches you, every airport runway, every dam, every tunnel, all of it exists because a civil engineer sat down, calculated, designed, and took responsibility for millions of lives. Why do so many people study this field? Roughly 10 to 12% of engineering students worldwide pick civil engineering. Not because it's easy, it's absolutely not. They choose it because this field shapes real life. It's for the student who wants to build something physical, something permanent, something society uses daily without even realizing it. Past, present, future. In the past, civil engineering built empires, the pyramids, the Great Wall, the Roman roads. In the present, it holds modern cities together, from earthquake-resistant skyscrapers to high-speed highways. And in the future, civil engineering will depend on AI, machine learning, automation, digital twins, and sustainable materials. We're entering an era where buildings will predict failures before they happen, traffic systems will optimize themselves, and cities will operate as intelligent ecosystems. Civil engineering is transforming from manual work to data-driven engineering. What you will study in this playlist. In this playlist, we're going to break civil engineering into simple, logical chapters that match your actual coursework. Structural analysis, concrete technology, soil mechanics, fluid mechanics, transportation, environmental engineering, surveying, construction planning, foundations, steel structures, highway engineering. And later, the advanced tech everyone else ignores, AI in construction, machine learning for material prediction, smart traffic systems, digital twins, sensors and automated inspection. Future of sustainable cities. You won't get dry theory here. You'll get clarity, real examples, and explanations that actually stick. Why watch this playlist before entering the field? Because civil engineering is huge, and most students join without understanding what they're stepping into. This playlist gives you the full map before you start the journey. It helps you decide whether this field fits your brain, your ambition, and your lifestyle. Why it matters to teachers, students, and curious minds. Teachers can use these videos as quick concept refreshers. Students can use them for exam revision and career clarity. And curious minds can finally understand how modern cities actually function. This is episode 1. If you're ready to understand the engineering behind civilization, hit the playlist link below and start your journey. Be a part of the global education movement by sharing this video series with your peers.